Let's go over some tips on how to write the best possible user stories so that your acceptance testing is as effective as possible. First, you need to know who the target of each user story is. Every person who might interact with the solution of the user story is considered a user. When you are writing user stories, at least one representative of each role should be involved to describe what would make their experience of the feature better. The users can fill out a table that asks the who, what, why, and specifics of how they want to use the product. This helps the team start shaping the big picture of the product. Some of the stories written in this original step might encompass a scope large enough to be considered an epic. After these first user stories are brainstormed, a planning session takes place with all of the users. The meeting looks to raise more questions and to encourage the users and the team to discuss the details of the stories and have a dialogue about what they've written so far. Out of these discussions come the requirements that each feature must meet in order to be considered done to the user's satisfaction. This is called the acceptance criteria. It is important to remember that this isn't the place to discuss technical requirements or how your team is going to develop something. This comes later, when the team is prepared with all their user stories. The user story should include just enough information so that the work required to deliver the feature can be estimated and can be completed during one sprint.